You've probably walked past it in the grocery store 100 times, that knobby, unassuming root called ginger. But what if that common ingredient held the key to soothing chronic indigestion, easing painful inflammation, and even helping to protect your brain? For centuries, ginger has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine, and now, modern science is confirming what ancient healers knew all along. The active compounds in ginger, like gingerol, are powerhouses of medicinal properties. Today, we're exploring the 10 most impactful, evidence-based benefits of making ginger a regular habit. Let's start with a big one. Ginger is one of the world's most effective natural remedies for certain kinds of nausea and indigestion. If you've ever dealt with an upset stomach, you know how disruptive it can be. Research shows that ginger can be especially helpful for nausea related to pregnancy. In fact, organizations like the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists mention it as a safe, non-drug option for managing morning sickness. So how does it work? The magic lies in its ability to improve gastric motility. One of its main active compounds, gingerol, helps speed up the rate at which your stomach empties. This means food doesn't sit around for too long, preventing the bloating and discomfort that often lead to indigestion. For those with chronic indigestion, studies have shown that ginger can significantly reduce symptoms like bloating and upper abdominal pain. It essentially helps calm your entire digestive tract, making it a go-to for natural relief. Benefit number 2, impacts nearly every system in your body. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is a sneaky culprit behind many modern diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. This is where ginger steps in. The main bioactive compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, have been widely studied for their ability to fight inflammation at a cellular level. They work by inhibiting key inflammatory pathways in the body. Research has shown that regular ginger consumption can lead to a drop in inflammatory markers. This action is so significant that some studies have found ginger's effects to be comparable to common NSAIDs, like ibuprofen. Recent research even provides evidence for how it works, showing it can restrain the activity of certain white blood cells involved in inflammatory autoimmune diseases. Directly related to its anti-inflammatory power is benefit number 3, ginger's ability to relieve joint pain, particularly from osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease that breaks down cartilage, leading to pain and stiffness. Multiple high-quality scientific trials have shown that ginger extract can significantly reduce pain and stiffness in people with knee osteoarthritis. The compounds in ginger work by suppressing the inflammatory molecules that contribute to cartilage breakdown and pain signals. Whether taken as a supplement or even applied as an oil, ginger has been shown to help improve mobility and reduce the reliance on conventional painkillers. For benefit number 4, we turn to an issue that affects millions of women. Menstrual pain or painful periods are often caused by high levels of prostaglandins, compounds that trigger uterine muscle contractions. Several clinical trials have found that ginger can be just as effective as mefenamic acid and ibuprofen in reducing the severity of menstrual pain. For women seeking a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, this is a game-changer. Taking about 1 gram of ginger powder per day for the first 3 days of a menstrual cycle has been shown to provide substantial relief. At number 5 is a benefit that's incredibly important today. Ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels. With the rise of type 2 diabetes, finding natural ways to improve insulin sensitivity is more important than ever. Studies have shown that regular ginger supplementation can significantly lower fasting blood sugar and HbA1c. The active compounds in ginger appear to enhance insulin sensitivity, helping the body use glucose more effectively. This is highly beneficial for people with or at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. We're halfway through, and the benefits keep getting better. If you're finding this information valuable and want more science-backed tips for improving your health naturally, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Now for benefit number 6. Ginger is great for your heart. Cardiovascular disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. First, research indicates that ginger can help improve cholesterol levels. Multiple studies have found that ginger supplementation can reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Second, ginger may help lower blood pressure by helping to relax blood vessels, which improves circulation. By tackling high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and inflammation, ginger provides multifaceted support for a healthy heart. Benefit number 7 is something we should all be thinking about. Ginger may help protect the brain. As we age, our brains are more exposed to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, which are factors in neurodegenerative diseases. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can help defend our brain cells from this damage. One study in middle-aged women found that daily doses of ginger extract improved working memory and reaction time. Coming in at number 8 is the foundational benefit behind many of ginger's other powers. It is loaded with antioxidants. Every day, our bodies face off against free radicals from pollution, stress, and normal metabolic processes. Antioxidants are the body's defense against these free radicals, and ginger is full of them. This antioxidant activity helps reduce the risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease and supports overall cellular health. Benefit number 9 is one of the most exciting areas of ginger research. But it requires a careful approach. Ginger has shown promising anti-cancer potential. Lab and animal studies have shown that compounds in ginger, particularly 6-gingerol, can inhibit the growth of various types of cancer cells. Additionally, ginger is well known for its ability to help relieve the nausea that often comes with chemotherapy. While much more research in humans is needed, these initial findings are promising. Finally, at number 10, ginger is a powerful antimicrobial agent that can help your body fight infections and boost immunity. Fresh ginger, in particular, contains compounds that have been shown to be effective against various types of bacteria and viruses. One of its most notable effects is the ability to inhibit the growth of oral bacteria linked to inflammatory gum diseases like gingivitis. Its ability to fight germs, combined with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, makes ginger a fantastic food for strengthening your immune system. From calming an upset stomach and fighting inflammation to helping regulate blood sugar and protecting your heart and brain, this humble spice is a true medicinal powerhouse. Incorporating it into your diet is simple. You can brew a comforting tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water, grate it into stir-fries and soups, or blend a small piece into your morning smoothie. Even a small amount, like 1 gram of fresh ginger a day, can be enough to start reaping its benefits. What's your favorite way to use ginger? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other video on the benefits of turmeric. Thanks for watching.